The first period was a study period. Maddie tried to prepare her lessons, but she could not put her mind on her work. The first period was a study period. That means they had to study in that period. And Maddie tried to prepare her lessons. Maddie was trying very hard to prepare her lessons, but she could not put her mind on her work. That means she could not focus on her work at all. She was very disturbed by what had happened, by knowing that Wanda had left, and because of them. She had a very sick feeling in the bottom of her stomach. She was feeling very bad about it. She was really upset. She was regretting what they had done to Wanda. True, she had not enjoyed listening to Peggy ask Wanda how many dresses she had in her closet, but she had said nothing. Though she had realized quite earlier that the way they were making fun of Wanda by asking her about the dresses was not correct. And she had never enjoyed listening to Peggy asking about the dresses from Wanda. But she had said nothing. She had not taken any stand. She had not said anything to Peggy. She had not stopped Peggy for doing that. That meant that she was the partner in crime with Peggy. She was no less than Peggy. She had stood by silently, and that was just as bad as what Peggy had done. It was equivalent to what Peggy had done. Peggy had teased her, ridiculed her many a times. Maddie had not, but she was standing by Peggy silently. And that was just as bad what Peggy had done. Worse, in fact. She was a coward. At least Peggy hadn't considered they were being mean. Peggy had not realized that they were being mean to Wanda. But she, Maddie, had thought they were doing wrong. She had realized it quite earlier. Quite in time. She could put herself in Wanda's shoes. Now, she was feeling really bad because she had not taken stand when there was time. She could have told Peggy to stop. She would have made her realize that whatever she was doing was wrong. But she didn't do anything because of her own weaknesses. Now she was feeling very bad about it. She could put herself in Wanda's shoes. Now she was putting herself in Wanda's shoes and thinking that how Wanda had felt when they used to make fun of her, when they used to ask her about her dresses. They were actually every time pulling her down, trying to put her down, make fun of her, embarrass her. They were embarrassing her every time. She was a quiet girl, but she had felt it so bad that she left the school. Now Maddie was really upset.